Hey, so I'm doing my early spring cleanup and I have some Delphinium here. If you look closely, you can see new growth and also some old stems, and sometimes they'll just come up easily like that, in which case you can just pull them up. Just clean up any leaves and debris around it. Here's another one. There's a stem that won't just pop up. You can trim it with some pointy shears. There you go, it's ready for the season. Here's the other one. It's a Summer Skies. This one is, and this one is also Summer Skies. And then here we have an Astolat, which is kind of like a pinkish purple one. It also has new growth, and then all these dead stems can come off. That was easier than I thought. And I have to just pull them up. There's another one right there, but I don't see any new growth. Oh. Maybe it'll still come. Oh, there it is. There's the new growth down there. See it? Here's another Delphinium, Summer Skies. Do I see new growth? Oh, there we go. There's the new growth. Bunch of new growth. So it's a good idea to leave sticks like this so that it doesn't get stepped on or forgotten. I believe this is another one. I just don't have the tag. So that's it. That's all it takes to clean up the Delphinium. They're really little right now. They'll come back. They're biennial. I've heard this will be the second year, and last year they broke because I didn't stake them, so I'll try to stake them this time. New life. And yeah. Even the Delphinium. Look at this Delphinium here, light blue. Interesting center. And then this one is like purple. Very pretty. This Delphinium fell because it should be staked. And those Delphinium also fell. That one broke in half. And this is why you have to stake them. But that's okay. Looks like something ate the Delphinium buds off of this one. We can thank the bunny for eating off all the flower heads.